Hello guys, today I'm going to reveal 4 amazing websites which are useful in HTML description creation. Our first website is superauctiontemplates.com. In here we can find free templates as well as paid templates. First of all, let's talk about these free templates. You can change all these designs as you wish. And there are 8 free templates given. Okay, now this is so easy. You can see its HTML code. Okay, let's get we have to copy this code. Copy. Copy. Then go to this website. I'll put all these links in the description. Then I have to clear this. As you can see, okay, this template is not working in this site. Okay, so you have to copy this code and paste in your eBay description in HTML section and edit there. And the second website is Sellerco. We have these templates here. And click on open eBay template software now. Okay, I'm gonna skip tutorial there. This is just like Word, Microsoft Word. You can type your title here and then make these changes. I don't know, anything you like. You can insert images, and yeah, there are many things you can try. Then click on HTML, copy this code and paste in your eBay description. Okay, if not, if not, you can use their pre-made listing templates too. See, browse templates. Okay, there are many templates available here. You can edit these templates as you wish. Let's go for Premier eBay templates. Okay, let's go to our next let's go to our second website. That's free eBay templates.co.uk. There are 11 as I think, no, there are 19 free templates available in this website. Let's see them. You have to go for the page sources, then copy from here. Let's paste that code here. Okay, can you see? And we can directly the image limited for 300 words. Let's do something like this. Okay, 300. Yeah, it's okay now. So you have to delete these things. Okay, and you can edit these things in here. Yeah, try printing and just print. You can directly paste this code in the eBay description and edit it in there, and then Okay, there are many features available, you can try them. You have to copy this HTML code and paste in your eBay description. And our last website is ecommercepoonas.com. Then you have to sign up and get an account. You can use a temporary email for this. Then you have to unzip this folder. Then open a text document in there, copy that code. Now you can identify links as they are highlighted in purple color. Replace these links with our links, and to that we should have a clear understanding about eBay link policy in descriptions. Links in the description are only allowed for the following. Links in the description are only allowed for other eBay pages, product videos, foreign shipping services approved by eBay, legal record information, and credit for third-party providers. And videos must be from sites like YouTube, Vimeo, Padco, Ustream, Screencast. Links to other shipping services are only allowed from these companies. I'll put this link in description with all other links I used in this video. So today's video is over. Stay awesome.